Hey, Ryan here from the Supademo team to show you a new feature that we just launched, and it is using AI to prime your demo so that when you're finished recording, the text on your hotspots is tailored to the goal that you had when you started recording the demo. Let me show you what I mean with an example. So in my Chrome toolbar, I'm going to click the Chrome extension for Supademo, and I'll click Record a Demo here. And notice here this button, Enhance with AI. We're going to see a text box to add context about what our demo is going to be about. So what I'm going to write is context about Zoom's webinar features and what I'm trying to highlight. Now, after we type in the context, we can decide what kind of use case we want, if it's just instructional or if it's marketing focused, because it's going to be centered towards customers or potential customers. We can select the desired outcome, and then you can choose through one of many languages if you so choose. Let's go ahead and save this and start recording our demo. Once we're inside, I'm going to click from the drop down here in the Zoom's business services section, and I'll click on webinars and events. I'll scroll through here looking at some of the top headings. And when I'm done, I'll go to the Chrome extension here and I'll click stop recording. Now this is very familiar. As soon as we're done recording, the demo will be generated right in front of us and we can edit it as we need to. What you'll notice right away is that the text is tailored towards the context that I gave it at the beginning. We can see that the headline and the subdescription are all about webinars and events using Zoom. If we click through the different hotspots, we can see that each of the things is driving towards things that are around webinars, pulling in context that it has. Now, if we didn't add the context at the beginning, a lot of this hotspot text that we're seeing would be fairly generic. It would show things like, click on the Zoom business services section to see what services are available. And it wouldn't actually clarify what we were trying to do with this demo, which is showcase the benefits of using their webinar services. If there's still text that we want to edit and refine to make it even more tailored to what we were hoping for, we can always do that the same way we always have, jumping into the editor, changing the headings, changing the subheadings, however we want to do it. When your demo looks good, you can always click share in the top right corner, copy the link, or get the embed code to add it to your website. Now, if you'd like to record your first demo, check the link in the description where you'll find a link to sign up and start creating your first demos for free.